Hello everyone. This is a video on how to use item fees in Liberty. If you have not seen our video on what is an item fee, I would recommend watching that before viewing this training video. In essence, an item fee is an additional charge added to the price of an item. This fee appears only on the price tag and is not reflected in the consignor split. The store retains 100% of the item fee, while the consignor receives none. Item fees are linked to price codes, allowing each price code to have its own specific item fee. For instance, price code A might have no item fee, whereas another price code could have an item fee of $1 for items priced between $10 and $25 and $2 for items priced above $25. This flexibility enables different price codes to utilize varying item fees. To assign an item fee to a price code, you must first create item fee types. Begin by navigating to Setup, then Price Codes, and finally Item Fee Types. This will open the Item Fee Types list box, where you can add, edit, or delete existing item fee types. To add a new item fee type, click the Add button. This action will open the Maintain Item Fee Types dialog box, where you can enter the description of the item fee type you wish to create. You will also need to select the type of fee from the drop-down menu, choosing either a flat fee or a percentage fee. Once you have selected the type of item fee, click the Add button to proceed. In the Add a Fee field, type in the fee amount you want to use. Next, in the For Inventory Priced Up To field, enter the maximum inventory price to which this fee will apply. You can continue adding to your item fee schedule until you have covered all inventory price ranges. This step ensures that each price range has an appropriate item fee, providing a comprehensive fee structure for your inventory. You can create a comprehensive fee schedule that covers all inventory price ranges, ensuring that each range has an appropriate fee. You can also just choose to have one baseline fee applied to all items if you do not want to have a graduating scale based on price. After creating the necessary item fee types, the next step is to assign them to price codes. Navigate to Setup, then Price Codes, and select Price Codes. Choose the price code to which you want to add the item fee type. From the drop-down menu, select the item fee type you wish to assign to this price code. Once selected, click the Save button, followed by the OK button at the bottom of the screen. This action will link the item fee type to the chosen price code, ensuring that the appropriate fee is applied to items under that code. Let's now see what this looks like when we are adding an item. In my current example, I created a flat rate item fee schedule for various different price points. Let's click on the Account List button. Then open up an account you want to add an item to. This account should have its default price code set to the one we added the item fee schedule to, but you can set this case by case. Let's click the Add Inventory button. Now, we can start adding our item. We can also set our price code here or confirm that we are on the correct price code that has the item fee schedule we added. Now type in your price. We will start with $30 in this example. You will notice the item fee field shows 50 cents. Because my first fee schedule I have everything entered in from $0 to $50, adding a 50-cent item fee. If I change the price to $55, you will notice the item fee goes to $1 automatically. As I keep increasing the price, the item fee schedule will automatically change the assigned item fee based on what I entered in. Now we can save the item and you are ready to go. Next, let's talk about the point of sale. When items are sold at the point of sale, the item fee is included in the sale amounts displayed on the screen. This ensures that the information on the POS display matches the price tags, providing consistency for both the customer and the store. It is important to note that when an item with an item fee is sold using the change post method, the item fee is not reduced. For example, if a $10 item has a $1 item fee, the total price is $11. If the item price is changed to $7, the consignor receives $6 after the $1 item fee is deducted, and the store retains the $1 fee. This method ensures that the store retains the full item fee, regardless of the price change, providing a consistent revenue stream from item fees. In contrast, the sale post method reduces the item fee by the sale percentage. For example, if a $10 item with a $1 item fee is sold at a 10% discount, the total price becomes $9.90. The item fee is also reduced by 10%, making it 90 cents. The consignor receives $9 after the reduced item fee is deducted, and the store retains 90 cents. This method ensures that the item fee is proportionally reduced along with the sale price, maintaining fairness in the fee structure. Though the above is the default behavior for sale post, this can be changed in the POS settings. We will go over how to do this later on in this video. The method used to sell an item, whether change post or sale post, directly impacts the consignor's earnings. With change post, the consignor's net amount is calculated after deducting the full item fee from the reduced price. In contrast, with sale post, the consignor's net amount is calculated after deducting the proportionally reduced item fee. What happens to the item fee when an item has a markdown? This is a very good question. You can actually control the way this works. Let's first open up the point of sale. Then, click the More button. Next, click on the Setup button and sign in. From here, click on Posting Defaults to the left. In the Item Fees area, there are two options you can change that affect how markdowns and sale post handle item fees in general. The first option is to adjust item fees with markdowns and sale post. This method ensures that the item fee is proportionally reduced along with the sale price or markdown price. The second option is to adjust price to maintain full item fees. Like with change post, this method ensures that the store always gets the full item fee amount whenever an item's price is reduced by a markdown or discounted via sale post. It is possible to lock out the setup area via security so that no one else can go in here and change these options. You are now ready to start utilizing item fees. This was a video on how to use item fees in Liberty.